Here's a ground-to-ground transition idea. Secure your phone to a tripod. Find a gorgeous view and wave it from side to side like this. Repeat this process at another location. Now let's put this together. Import both clips into InShot. Split the clips and get rid of the parts you don't need. Now tap Speed. Press Curve and adjust the speed curve to your liking. Repeat the step for the next clip. And here's the final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.